Hey friend, you can see that this smartphone is locked due to forgotten password lock. Yes, my friend, this smartphone's pattern lock is unknown, and I have to unlock these smartphones in my home at only 2 minutes. Okay, so let's start this video. This method is about offline method, and this method is using no any software, no any data loss, and no any kind of using software. So let's start this video. After completing this video, please for appreciating, please like this video. Okay, so first of all, you have to remove your SIM card and your memory card from your smartphone. Now after that, you have to click the airplane mode of your smartphone like that. I am going to again activated this smartphone for you. After this, you have to click the emergency call option here and again dialer pad. After that, you have to enter a code, and this code name is offline mode code, and you have to call this code for 3 times for close all your background running applications. You have to call this code for 3 times. After that, you have to remove this code from your smartphone. After that, I am going to enter a major code here. This is Google FRP code, and this code is belongs to Google, and which provides every month, and this code is going to expire every month. So if you watching this video in the current month, so this code will successfully work on your smartphone. But if you are watching this video in another month, so this code may be expired. So if you wanna updated code here, so you have to subscribe our channel and comment us for new code. And this code is updated Google FRP code. This code name is Google FRP code. So okay, and you have to call this code for 10 times. When you start the calling, you have to you have to ask to okay it, so you have to click the OK button. Okay, and again you have to call this code for 10 times continuously. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And after completing this process, you have to click on the home button here, and you can see that, my friends, your smartphone is completely unlocked, and there is no any type of photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock all Android smartphone at your home. But if your mobile is still not unlocked from this method, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.